Hi, I'm Tim McKay. I am a visual artist working primarily in acrylics and geometric abstraction. And I show my art at Pirate Contemporary Art in Lakewood. So my most recent show, Colors Line, opened at Pirate on March 13th, and we were open for one weekend. And then the show shut down and only reopened at the end of May. So what we've seen in both before we closed and then when we reopened, our numbers have been way down. But it's been very gratifying to have people come out to the galleries again and experience art again in person. So life has been a little bit different under COVID. For example, a client had asked to come to do a studio visit, which I had to decline as my studio is based out of my home, and just really had to take care of the people who were living there. I've also found that as an artist, my pace has slowed down. So I'm spending more time on individual works and using the time to be thoughtful, to reassess my direction as an artist and what my next moves might be. So it's good to know that the galleries are taking lots of precautions to make sure that people stay safe during their visit, including enforcing social distancing, wearing masks, limiting capacity within the galleries. So we'd really encourage you to come on out and to see some art in person.